So, I don't know what the deal is with this bird right here. But it's, like, tweaking out and, like, flapping like a penguin. And yelling. It's yelling. You see this? Oh my god, there it goes. What the fuck? Fucking weird. Got some weird birds. Yeah, it's my parking lot. Not a whole lot going on out there. There's one of my cats. She doesn't like the camera. The other one. She also not a big fan of the camera. Graham. Alright. Here's Stokely. She means business. Oh, fuck, that bird's back. Look at that shit. Huh. I'm recording this with my phone, so the bird's actually a lot closer to me than it appears in the video. Objects in mirror are closer than they appear. This bird's been out here for like, I don't even know how fucking long. Like 4 hours, I swear to God. Okay, it's only like 9 Michigan time, and I've been up since 7:30. Oh, there he goes again. But, whatever. Anyway, I just wanted to share the bird.